Today we will talk about the beauty tips to help you improve your looks. But before this, if you like this videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Enhancing your beauty can either be an intelligent professional move or a fun personal regimen. It does require some effort to work properly though. This can make you wonder where to begin to start creating a regimen that works for you. Everything you need to know about where to start with beauty is listed in the tips below. Drink enough water. Every cell in your body needs water to function. In fact, the human body is 60 to 70% water. If you aren't drinking your 8 to 10 glasses of clean water daily, you are putting yourself at risk for dry, flaky skin as well as lifeless hair and brittle nails. Drink up and look your best. For women trying to hide their freckles, the best thing you can use is a concealer that is a shade lighter from your foundation. Getting a concealer that is too dark will just make your face a little darker than it should be. Just add a small amount to your finger and rub it in. Always remove your makeup before you go to bed. After a long, stressful day, it can be tempting to just slip into bed without taking the time to remove your makeup. However, sleeping with your makeup on can cause numerous problems including acne, blackheads and dry skin. By taking just a few minutes before bed to remove your makeup, you can keep your skin clear, healthy and moistured. After waxing any part of your skin, it is important that you do not take a hot bath or shower right away. This can cause irritation because waxing leaves your pores wide open. Try waiting at least an hour before being exposed to any type of hot water at all. Spray mist over your face after you have your makeup applied. It will set the makeup and keep it where it should be much longer. This is a great method to use when you have a long day ahead of you, like if it is your wedding day or you have a night out after work planned. If you are light-skinned or have light hair, you may want to consider tinting your eyebrows. This will enhance the color of your eyebrows and will draw attention to your eyes and brows. You can tint your eyebrows by yourself and can find the tint at most beauty stores. Stand up straight. Standing up straight, with your shoulders back and down and your chest out, makes you look better. It gives you the appearance of having lost weight and makes you look confident. Try it in the mirror and you'll see how much better you look when you just correct your posture. If your tendency to bite your fingernails is a nervous habit, try taking up a hobby that is sure to keep your hands busy and occupied during your downtime. This could be knitting, sketching, or even doing crossword puzzles. This can save your nails while you watch television, movies, or lounge around the house. Never ever apply a tanning lotion when you are in a hurry, as this will always lead to disaster. This is one beauty item you really need to take your time with, otherwise you end up looking freaky. So smooth the tanning lotion well over elbows, knees and feet and wash your hands thoroughly to avoid streaking. Use your tanning lotion well in advance of sleeping to prevent a complete botch job and well in advance of any special occasion, just in case. So, as you have seen, it is true that beauty requires research, practice, and effort to start seeing what it can offer you. It is also true that in order to see results, you have to keep at it. Keeping the aforementioned tips in mind, you are well on your way to being successful with it.